What's up, y'all? I'm here with my son. Say hi, son.
Hello.
At a garage sale, and I picked up something really old. An old bayonet. I'm not sure what rifle it's to. See if I can pick up the engraving on it. I don't know if it's M1 Garand or older or what. That's going to take a whole lot of work to get cleaned. A guy I just ran into told me to stick it in the dirt and wiggle it around and it'd be like sandpaper. I'm not so sure I want to do that. Yeah, U.S. military bayonet. I have no idea what gun it goes to or the value of it. So if y'all know, leave a comment. That's it. See y'all in the next one.